How to report on contracts. We've assumed you've already seen these videos and are now wanting to know how to report on contract fees. In this session, we have assumed that you are an existing user of APS and have used practice management reporting previously, and this simply consolidates what is available to you. The WIP Detail Report. The WIP Detail Report's available in Central Console, Matter Console, Standard Reporting and Fee Batch Reporting. Will show all contract fees as interim fees. Interim fees in APS terms creates a negative WIP entry that is shown at the top of the matter details for each matter. Time and disbursements are created as positive WIP entries. In order to clear out the interim fees, a final fee in APS needs to be raised to absorb the time against the interim contract fees. Here is an example of a WIP detail report. If we zoom in to the top of the first matter, you'll see the interim fees raised here. If your overall matter WIP balance is negative, it means that you have billed more in your interim contract fees than you have completed timesheets for. Some firms don't use timesheets, so in this instance, WIP may remain as a negative figure. Standard Reporting. Standard Reporting offers contract reports by selecting the Contracts option in the selector. Standard Reporting. Contract standard reports are available by debtor or family group for the following Forecast Report, Contract Detail Report and Contract Summary Report. Just like all other standard reports, the normal functions apply, like selection filter, same filter used in the auto fees process. Output is in fixed formats, and all reports can be exported to Excel or datasheet as needed. An example of the forecast report in standard reporting using the selection criteria as seen on top right-hand corner of the report would look like this. An alternative to the standard reporting for contracts is to report from the Contracts console directly using the Reporting Services formatted reports. In this instance, the forecast report would look like this. Same information, just presented differently for the same period. The Reporting Services reports are an optional configuration and are displayed in the Contracts console in the reporting band as shown here. If you don't have these, please talk to your IT administrator to enable these reports. Contracts Lists is available from the reporting area in the Central Application List. Just like all our list selectors, you control what the output will be. So unlike standard reporting, the format of the information is flexible as you determine the output fields and the filters. Practice IQ. Practice IQ provides the opportunity for you to revisit your business KPIs. Changes will need to be made to reflect the impact of contract fees. WIP days, adjustment to exclude interim fees in this calculation. Introducing measures for the team to see how many contracts are being added and a percentage of fees from contracts. Interim fee flags, so WIP aged can be aggregated by those matters in and out of contracts. Dashboard KPIs for your team members may need to be updated to reflect the change in focus as contracts are being introduced. Please contact APS to pursue changes to your Practice IQ solution to incorporate contracts. Business Process Automation. The Business Process Automation, known as BPA, can be used as an automation tool to notify you directly when actions need to occur, such as reminder to raise contract fee when applicable, reminder to renew contracts, reminder for overdue actions, alert on missing information on contracts. BPA alerts can link directly to reporting services reports and dashboards. In summary, the following reporting options are available to you: WIP Detail, Standard Reporting, Contract Reporting, Contract Lists, Practice IQ, BPA, your virtual assistant. For practices that complete timesheets, the final part of the contract process is to create a final fee to absorb the time against the interim contract fees. We will cover this in the next video. Thank you.